Ayo, solid, you the realest.
Usually I'm faded. Sitting and sipping and thinking, you know I've been wasted. Thinking about touching your body all night, I'm impatient. I ain't got time to be sitting here waiting. Cause lately I've been feeling jaded. Raindrops fall on top of me and don't you stop. Drown me heavily, I may not stop. We going all the way to the top. And don't you stop raining. Rain on me, just rain on me. Rain on me and don't you stop. Just rain on me, yeah. Rain on me. Your messages seem to be coming in daily. I know that you're missing me while I be gone, and I know I've been driving you crazy. But you do the same when you riding on top like Miss Daisy. You driving fast, you doing the dash, and I hope you don't crash the Mercedes. I don't know what you been thinking, but I ain't been fucking with none of these bitches, so baby, just relax. I know I've been putting it down, but no strings attached. Vibrations are feeling amazing, it cannot be matched. Showing you different positions, I introduced that. Clearly that nigga you fucking with what? Cause I pussy down. I know that I do what I do, cause you're making them sounds. I don't even gotta ask you to toot it up, spin around. I know that he wondering where could she be at now. It's 5 in the morning, I'm bending and breaking her down. Ass up, face down, her favorite flavor right now. She get a little wet, take a couple shots of this crown. Yeah, you getting wet, dripping wet everywhere right now. Stop that arguing, point blank, I ain't got time for that today. Raindrops all on top of me and don't you stop. Drown me heavily, I mean not stop. Going all the way to the top. Don't you stop raining. Rain on me, yeah. Just rain on me. Just rain on me, yeah. Rain down on me.